Thanks for joining us on this quieting hump day here as we head through the 6 o'clock hour. We have some beautiful sunshine taking place to the west of you in Grand Forks. Still cloud cover here in the FM area. As we look at our time lapse, it was one of those wintry days. Now the setting sun in Grand Forks, just stunning out there with the mix of clouds and color as well. First alert weather day, Thursday, that's tomorrow. We get a break on Friday, and then the weekend storm system looks strong. And it looks impactful both weekend days, so we've added Sunday to the mix of first alert weather days. As the punches keep coming from Mother Nature, your hour-by-hour forecast for the night tonight looks very quiet, so enjoy. And cloudy for many of us. Overnight, we'll see temperatures dip into the cold range up in our northern and western counties in the Devil's Lake Basin. This is a snapshot at 7:30 in the morning. Many of us, so in the valley and points east, will be in the 20s to not far from 30 degrees if you're in places like Wadena and Otter Tail County. The wind starts picking up. Snow moves in the morning hours down south. This is paused at 10 in the morning, so it gets going here. Traveling down to the cities to cheer on the Spuds or, well, the Warriors from War Road down at the state tournament as well. You're going to run into some snow. It doesn't look overly heavy in the morning hours before your teams play. Now, the gusty winds pick up here in the eastern Dakotas. We'll be seeing those northeast winds gusting in yellow here to around 30 plus miles per hour. So we'll have snow and wind here in the south, and by 2, it's just now moving into the I-94 corridor. Then it snows into your Thursday drive time. Keep that in mind. We'll have snow spreading through the Red River Valley counties of eastern North Dakota, eastern South Dakota, where the Sisseton Hills will pick up ridiculous amounts of snow. Strong winds with the snow out to the west as well. Temperatures in those upper 20s means a wetter, stickier snowball making kind of snow for many of us. A little colder and drier up in the Devil's Lake Basin. Snow will begin its end after 1 o'clock in the morning. Just some flurries in the overnight for many of us. Accumulations, a trace to 2 inches, Grand Forks down here. That does include Fargo, but we ramp it up where you see the dark blues to 2 to 4 inches, right down into the Sisseton Hills, where a whopping amount of snow will be enhanced by the elevated terrain there. 5 to 9 plus inches. The James River Valley, 4 to 6 inch band possible in your area, surrounded by a little bit more of that 2 to 4 stuff. All right. Weekend storm, an update, starts Saturday in the morning, ends Sunday in the morning as far as snow goes, but gusty all day. Impacts will be dangerous travel potential and, dare I say, some whiteout travel conditions possible. Have flexible travel plans. Saturday morning, snow moves in from the west. This low pressure center is moving out of the central Rockies, and as it spreads through, notice we have snow chances for much of the day. Southerly and southeasterly winds will be gusting over 30 miles per hour. The low moves overhead. It's like a break in the storm that happens late on Saturday night and into Sunday morning. Then the wind returns. So does the wraparound snow chances. How much snow? Too early to tell amounts, but it looks like a very solid chance of over 4 inches of snow in purple, a very good chance of seeing at least 4 inches of snow in the dark blue areas. I can't rule out a 6 to 10 inch system with a full day of snow in some of our counties. We'll keep you posted on that. Right now, 14 Devil's Lake, 34 Wadena. What a spread of temperatures. So cold up to the north. Fargo tomorrow, 20s to start. We ramp it up to near 30. Our snow chances increase in the 4 o'clock hour and beyond overnight into your Friday morning. Then a quieter close to Friday. Saturday, the noise returns in the form of a winter storm potentially. Turn your clocks forward Saturday night and then tune in to see what the latest is on the storm on Sunday. Next week, things are looking to be a little better with St. Patrick's Day pleasant on Friday.
It's still early March, but we would like spring to get here eventually.
I'm on board.
If we can put in any requests
I will
for us.
bring an extra oar. I'm on board.
With Mother Nature.
Yeah.
Thanks, Hutch.
Yeah.
Still ahead on Valley News Live at 6. See how some North Dakota residents are staying busy through all this snowfall and winter. It's next.